Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to hardwire a car dash cam. This is required in case of a 24-hour surveillance dash camera, wherein even in the parking mode you can record the dash cam. You can see here this is the DDPi A2 dash cam. This has got a 24/7 surveillance feature. The cable that is used in this dash cam has got one USB port on one side, and it has got three wires on the other side, red, yellow and black. Now we are required to connect this wires to the fixed connections of the car. So now let's start the connection. As you can see here, the black wire has got a sticker of ground, the red wire has got a sticker of all accessories, and this yellow wire has got a sticker of battery. The connections are required to be made accordingly. Now we are required to remove the fuse compartment that is situated beside the steering wheel. Here you can see the fuses, and the particulars of the fuse have been mentioned on the sticker, this fuse box cap. You are just required to match the fuse box compartment with one that have details mentioned on the wire. Now we are required to see the all accessories fuse. If you match the sticker, you can see audio all accessories, it has been mentioned so where the one connection goes, and the next connection battery that has been mentioned will go to the horn connection, because the horn is also directly connected to the battery, wherein you will see that the horn functions even after you switch off the ignition key. The horn will function, hence it is a direct connection from the battery. That is the fuse wherein you are required to connect the battery wire. So now let's remove the fuse. I'm just removing the all accessories fuse first. It's a 10 amp fuse. Then we shall remove the horn or the battery fuse. Now we are required to run the wire from the rear view mirror to the side pillar and till the fuse compartment. Now let us remove the side compartment. It has got plastic buttons. You have to, with the help of a screwdriver, you have to just remove this out. When you remove these screws, the side panel will come out. Then the rubber beading has to be removed. If you just pull out, the rubber beading will come outside. Once you remove the rubber beading, then remains the next side panel. There will be plastic buttons. You have just pull it out. And now here comes the another plastic cover. This also comes out when you pull it outside. It's easy. Once all this is removed, you have to just run the wire. You should start inserting the USB end wire from the rear view position mirror into the roof. You are just required to push your wire on the top. Just goes and sticks there inside. You have to just measure the length of the wire so that the dash cam properly fits there before you could continue the wiring of the cable further to the fuse. Just take a hard wire and insert it from up till the fuse compartment. Bring the wire to fuse compartment. Just tie this wire to the end of the dash cam wire and slowly pull it down. By this method you can easily get all those 3 wires down to the fuse compartment without damaging the original wires. Here comes those 3 wires to the fuse compartment. Now nearly 80% of your job is done here. Just insert the wire into the roof and into the side panel properly so that the wires doesn't come outside. Once you do so, just insert back the cover by aligning it and put it back into its position. Now connect the yellow wire into the horn fuse, which is also a battery fuse. And connect the red wire, which all accessories fuse. Both these connections are completed. Now remains the ground wire. Connect the ground wire to the body of the car. You can see I have got a screw there. It's connected to the body. You have to just take the black wire and connect it to that screw. Once all the wires are connected, put all the covers back to their position with the side beading, rubber beading. Now fix the cable to the dash cam. Once you fix it, the dash cam has started functioning. You can see the blue light. It has started recording. To fix the dash cam on the windshield, you are just required to stick this 3mm tape on the windshield. You have to just mark the position by looking into the display, because I'm just trying to look the display in the smartphone, since this dash cam has got a Wi-Fi connectivity to the smartphone. Just mark it properly so that you get a correct angle of coverage. The dash cam is completely installed now. You can also see the display in the smartphone. This is how you hardwire and install a dash cam. I feel that the display is good. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching this video.